those four mighty Olympus engines, and may I remind you of that technology, those were the engines that ultimately went into Concorde, another of the great flying icons. But here it is, when it gets to us, I'm going to keep quiet. Put your cameras ready. This is it, because this is one mother of an aeroplane. Technology and produced by the great LC 145, the text number